Hey everybody, I'm Ken Brant, and I'm an artist. So here I am making another video, and you're like, what's going on, Ken? 2 videos in as many days? You are on fire, man. Well, let me tell you, all my painter friends, I have a sudden urge to do a still life. And since Easter is only 2 weeks away, I figured, why don't I do a still life that is Easter themed? So that's what we're going to do. So I'm at the grocery store to buy some items to set up in my still life. So here we are at the shopping center, grocery store, where I'm going to purchase some items. Bunnies. So I got the bunny. I think that should be a good size, and I have an idea what I want to do with this, so it should work out very nicely. I picked up a couple more goodies. That should work out just nicely. And while I'm here, I got to get me some chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. Alright, so I'm all done. I got everything I think I need, and we will head back to the car and get on home. Okay, so I'm going to set up my chocolate right here, but what I'm going to need to figure out first is what kind of backdrop do I want behind the setup, because the chocolate's brown, so I'm thinking, I don't know, thinking maybe red. I don't know what color. Let's try some different backgrounds and see what we think will look nice. Okay, so first I'll set up, put my setup down, and then I'll put the chocolate there and see how it looks. Okay, so here's the red setup. Let's try another one. Here's blue. Here's gold. Okay, I'm kind of liking the blue background. There's something about it. I just like the way it looks. So what we need to do now is we need to put some light on here and come up with some really nice effects to paint the picture that we want to paint. Okay, I turned the light off, and I'm really liking the effect that I'm getting with just the shadow, the cast shadows from the chocolate, and I like the way this rabbit's eyes are almost glowing in the light. I like that. So that'll be a nice effect, because no matter what it is, no matter what we paint, anything with a face, the eyes are always going to be a focal point. So I would like to use the eyes on the rabbit for a focal point, just for that reason. So we need to add some more interest. Okay, so I added some little eggs. I think that kind of, makes for a nice thing, but there's still something just not right. So we need to add more interest here. So I'm thinking we should break the chocolate. Well, that broke, didn't it? What do you think of that? I think that's nice. I kind of like the way that looks. Let's see. Well, I'm thinking maybe do like having that. Okay, I think this is the setup we're going with. I just might want to play with the lighting a little bit. See if we can get a nice cast shadow on there. That is a nice effect right there. I think we're going to go with this effect right here. It's kind of, yeah, we got some broken chocolate. It's kind of dark. I like that, except for, you know, some lighted areas. So really I'm all about the effects of light and the shadows. So I really like how this looks. I think this will work. Okay, so I have my canvas here. It's just a panel that I pulled up. I just grabbed a 9x12 panel, and I think we're going to do it in a portrait instead of landscape, because I think it'll just be nicer. So my setup is right over here on the side of my easel, and I'm going to I'm just going to do a real quick, almost like a study. So when I was younger, there used to be a game show on called Name That Tune, and the premise of that was they would play a song, but the contestants would say, I could name that tune in so many notes. So then they would say, you know, 3 notes or 4 notes, and then they would play it in 3 notes or 4 notes, and the contestant had to guess what song it was. So we're going to do something kind of similar. What I'm going to do is I can paint that painting in a certain number of brush strokes. So I'm going to paint these chocolate bunnies on this canvas, and I'm going to just pick a number. So I'm going to say I can paint this painting in 15 brush strokes. Now for me, I'm going to say a brush stroke is the moment the brush hits the canvas to the time it comes off. This counts as 1 brush stroke. So I'm going to do it in 15 brush strokes. Now what I'll do is I'll put the picture of my setup right here in the corner, so you can see what it is that I'm trying to paint here in 15 brush strokes. So the paints that I'm going to use is I got a Richardson's Asphaltum. It's kind of a nice brown. I think it will show up the chocolate, you know, in a decent color. Also I got burnt umber for the same reason. Titanium white I'm going to be using for, you know, because there is some light areas, you know, that I need to lighten up. So that, and I got some quinacridone magenta because there is some pink, and I also have some Prussian blue. There is blue in the eyes of the rabbit, you know, his irises, or his pupils are blue actually. So, and there's a lot of different colors. The eggs are blue and pink. The ribbon on the rabbit's neck has got some purple and some green and some yellow and some orange. I'm not going to do all those because I only have 15 brush strokes. I just chose 15. I could have chose any number, but I said we're going to go with 15. So that's what I'm going to do. And also I have some Old Masters Merige, and that's what I'm going to I use that as a medium with my oils, and that will loosen up the paint, make it really easy to work with, so I can get the most out of my brush strokes. I'm not cheating. I would just like to be able to, you know, oils are dry, so you can put a stroke on there and all of a sudden run out of paint, and you'll be like, oh, that counts as my 1 stroke. So that's the whole idea behind this. Okay, so in between the brush strokes, I'm not going to. I do have some mineral spirits here, and I like to use the shop towels. I buy them in the automotive section, and these work really nice. I like these. So let's start. Okay, so what I'm going to use is I have this Sable Cat's Tongue. It's a size 20. It's a pretty big brush, so I'm thinking this would give me the best value for my brush stroke, I'm guessing. So, and I can make some nice shapes with the cat's tongue. I like the way it works. So I do enjoy painting with this. So let us begin. And I will count these as we go. Remember, 15 is the number. I'm going to start with burnt umber. Well, there's one. I see this is going to be a little tricky. That was one. And let's see what we can do here. And that was 2. I'm trying to get the most out of my brush stroke here. So that was 3. And it kind of looks like a rabbit, doesn't it? I'm thinking. Okay, so this guy is over here. This rabbit, the broken rabbit, there's like a, it's like, there's 4. Man, I've used 4 already. It's 5. Wow. This is going to be tough. This is going to be tough. I'm going to have to somehow... Okay, so this is going to be 6. Man. All right, let's see what we can do here. This here's 6. I have not lifted my brush off of the canvas yet. Don't be getting crazy on me. There's 6. Six. Here's 7. Eight. Oh, that was a short one. Oh, I wasted that. I still have, there's a broken piece right here. Man. Okay, we're on 8. That was 8. This is not going to be, well, good. I'm going to have to use, man, how am I going to do the eyes are going to be separate brush strokes. Oh, crap. Okay. We're on 8. So I'm going to mix some burnt umber with, here I mix the burnt umber with the white. I'm mixing some burnt umber with some asphaltum. This is that broken piece. Not mixed. I did not pick it up. Oh, there's my phone. So this is supposedly supposed to be the broken, there's a broken body part here, and that doesn't look anything. That was 9. Oh man, 9. And there's another piece right here. Oh, okay. Okay. Here's 10. That was 10. This is not easy. It was 10. So, okay. I think we can do this. 10, 11, 12, 13. Ooh, man. Okay, we'll do the eyes. So there's 10. 11, not good. 12, a little better. 13. Oh. Wow. And we have a pink egg here. 14. Holy cow. I got one brush stroke left. One. Oh, what am I going to do here? I'm going to fill in this body, I guess. I don't know what else to do. I guess we'll just fill this in. I didn't get the bow tie in there. $15. There you go. So I did that painting in 15 brush strokes, and I'm leaving it like that. That's my painting. So I knew it wasn't going to be great, but you know, it's a lesson I think it's a good lesson because it forces you to make every single brush stroke count, which you should do when you're painting. You shouldn't be wasting your paints and your brush strokes on your painting because you don't know what you're going to paint. You should know every brush stroke. Every brush stroke should have meaning. So here it is. Here's 15 meaningful brush strokes. Does it look like a rabbit? I think they do. I think they look like rabbits. Do they look like chocolate rabbits? Maybe. So, hey, tell me what you thought about this video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you leave a comment. I'll definitely be doing this again, and perhaps we'll get some comments as to how many brush strokes do you think we can do that painting in. All right. So until the next video, I'll see you later. For coaching and information on how to move your painting to the next level, make sure you give me a call at area code 607-481-9442. That's area code 607-481-9442. And make sure you visit my website at kennethbrant.com. And while you're there, sign up for my email newsletter and be placed into a drawing for a free painting. So again, remember, visit kennethbrant.com and call area code 607-481-9442.